Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Xiaomi 15 Ultra camera test after 8 months. I am also making this smartphone long time full review on my YouTube channel. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with a huge camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera. So first of all, talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30 fps video, and you also record 4K 30 60 120 fps slow mo video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120 fps 240 fps 480p 960 fps slow mo video with EIS and HDR 10-bit support. Right now I am recording 4K 60 fps. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the smartphone video quality. Next, let's now talk about the macro photography. The smartphone you can take a ultra super macro photography. So the smartphone offer you excellent macro photography experience. And as you can see that we are taking some awesome macro shot with Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Alright, now let's talk about the 50 megapixel main camera daylight picture quality. In a daylight you can take a good photo, all the image, color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are very well. And as you can see that we are taking some awesome pictures with Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I hope you guys get a pretty good idea about the picture quality. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra daylight picture quality. Now let's talk about the ultra wide picture quality. The 50 megapixel ultra wide you also take a good photo has like a main camera. All the photos have a lot of details and sharpness, color correction are also very close to natural, and every time the smartphone give you almost best shot, and this is night ultra wide picture quality. The 50 megapixel ultra wide picture quality also take a good photo in a low light and night. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the ultra wide picture quality Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Now talk about the portrait picture quality. You can take a portrait photo with 1x, 2x, 3x and 4.3x. The portrait mode also work very well. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness are very clear, and as you can see that we are taking some good portrait with Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and this is low light and night portrait picture quality. And as you can see that the picture quality are very good. Yeah, the picture quality not as much as good like a Vivo X200 Ultra, but it's not bad. Now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor with a dual pixel, the phone take a good photo in a night. In a good lighting condition you can take a photo has daylight picture quality. All the images have a lot of details and sharpness and very close to natural, and the night mode help you take a more better pictures. Overall the Xiaomi 15 Ultra camera quality are very good, but the Vivo X200 Ultra is still a camera champ right now. I am also making Vivo X200 Ultra camera review on my YouTube channel. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. And if you already using Xiaomi 15 Ultra, let me know in the comment your user experience. Okay, that's all about our video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this as always. Thanks for watching and I'll be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.